Hello, welcome. In this short video, I will illustrate that the output of a artificial neural network is equivalent irrespective of whether we use tan H function or sigmoid function in place of the hidden units. So, let us look at this following artificial neural network. It has one input layer, one hidden layer, and the outputs. The input layer has D inputs, and the hidden layer has M hidden units, and we have K outputs. So the kth output of this artificial neural network is given by yk, the inputs given by x, the vector x, and the weights w is equal to, we use sigmoid function as the activation function for the output. So we have sigma of summation, the kth output, that is the kth output or the kth unit, output unit is given by summation of j equal to 1 to m. Since we have m units in the hidden layer, we have j equal to 1 to m. The weights are wkj, that is these weights are wkj, that is for k for the output and j for the hidden unit, and the hidden function h is the activation function of the hidden unit h of summation I equal to 1 to d. So we have the summation I equal to 1 to d wji corresponding to this connections into xi, that is corresponding to the ith input plus the bias wj naught. And also the bias in the hidden unit is given by wk naught. So this is the kth output of the artificial neural network. So we have D inputs, M hidden units, and K outputs. Now our goal is to prove that whether we use sigmoid function or tan H function in the place of the hidden units, we will get the same output. But of course the inputs and the weights are changed by linear constants. So before we start with the proof, let us look at the definitions of these two functions. Tan H function is given by tan H of theta or tan H of A is equal to exponential power of A minus exponential of minus A divided by exponential of A plus exponential of minus A. And the sigmoid function sigmoid of A is given by 1 plus exponential of minus A. You can clearly see that these two functions are related as follows. That is 1 plus tan H of A is equal to 1 plus e power plus A minus e power minus A divided by e power A plus e power minus A, and by simplification this basically becomes 2 into e power A divided by e power A plus e power minus A. Clearly this is equal to 2 times 1 by 1 plus e power minus 2A, which is equal to 2 times sigmoid of 2A. Therefore sigmoid function of parameter 2A is equal to 1 plus tan H of A divided by 2. Let us call this equation 1. Now the kth output of this neural network can be also be rewritten as follows. That is yk of x comma w is equal to sigmoid of summation j equal to 1 to m wkj zj plus the bias, where zj is equal to h of aj. And obviously aj is equal to the summation I equal to 1 to d wji xi plus wj naught. So this is the value of each of the inputs to h of aj. So now when we use h is equal to sigmoid function, then we have z of j is equal to h of aj, that is sigmoid of aj. But we just established that sigmoid function of 2a is equal to 1 plus tan h of a by 2. So whatever the parameter here, we have a half of that parameter. So z of j is equal to sigmoid of aj is equal to 1 plus tan h of aj divided by 2 by 2. So this is the equivalent relationship between the sigmoid function and the tan h function. So by substituting this function in the definition of yk, we have yk is equal to sigma of summation j equal to 1 to m wkj of of 1 plus tan h of aj divided by 2 plus wk naught. So this is the new output, but this is the same as the original output when h is sigmoid function. This can be rewritten as yk is equal to sigma of summation j equal to 1 to m wk dash tan h of aj divided by 2 plus w dash k naught, where wk j dash is equal to wkj divided by 2. That is, we have wkj by 2 is equal to wk dash j, w dash kj, and the w dash k naught is equal to w dash k naught is equal to the original wk naught, the original bias, plus half of summation j equal to 1 to m wkj. That is this term, that is wkj into 1 by 2 and summation over j equal to 1 to m. So this is the new function when we use tan h as the hidden activation function for the hidden units. And note that this is equivalent to the following function when we use sigmoid activation function for the hidden units. Sigma of aj plus w k naught. These two functions are equivalent, and the only thing that differs are basically the weights, which are basically linear combinations of the original weights. Thanks for watching.